Tapos diretso mo na yung balot. Morning. Morning, everyone. Tabar ako ng parigo. Tabar ka lang. Tabar ng parigo. Tabar ito. Ako na kayo. What to see? No, I had a school today. I had a school today. Yada po. Mai! 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 Yada si Mamay? Nagluwas! Nabati ko ka lang ang boses kanina. Hindi ka lang nito. Ano ko na yan, ha? Apo. Ah, sige po. Apo. Oh, bago. Ha? Jadi same. Dipin sa ako. Dipin sa ako. Hi, bakekang. At bakekang. Bakit bakekang? Hindi ko already changed it. What did you give that lady that was sure? He gave the number because my mother, she gave the contact that I will give my mother because my mom going to their home for the black shoes. Ngayon namigas mo din na binutang ko. Okay, ba? Lumaho ka na to rin. Hilo to doon. Paano kaya din? May ano didiyaw? Karen. Kaya. Gab. Gulo. Gulo ng home. Oh my God, may ano. Ay, may ano yung jacket. Video na ano. Jacket. Yan na. Mahulis ka. Igabaw mo lang. Where is he going? Going to school. Sabay na ka monitoring, Gab. Para may payang. I thought you say school no open. Open. I said have a school today. I said just last night. I said no info if without or having a school today. What is school today? Naimod ka na ni Maneri Narya?
Oo.
Ah.
Sinahan na makulog. Makulog na wala?
Nagla. Binata na si Kuya Ket.
Kala niyo lang yun.
Binata na si Penso. Thank you for the thumbs up. Boring pag walang nagsasalita. Can you speak? Can you speak? Can you talk? Fix your short. Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, I'll really fix it now. So beautiful. Bye, Gab. What's it, Gab? Thank you for the 5 people here. I think you or just wear the black ones. No. Thank you. Makita kasi, why no? Because it's not a short, my God. The black one is not a short. It's like it looks like a panty. Daring, you know, the daring. Love for me is all in this time for you. But your panties are under the black. Yeah, but the black one is looks like daring. Oh my God! It's so beautiful, Baba! God! Somewhere in your heart, you always stay. Who is that? Ashley. Beautiful Ashley. So beautiful. Magpunas. Kiss me. Kiss me lang. Sumabango ha. Guys, talk. She's getting bored. Kahamot na ano ang pabang mong babang na ano pangalan? Strawberry. Color, what's color? Violet. Purple.
Kita pira yan eh.
Two. Totoo. Who that kid? Mhm. 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 Mhm.
Tapi yan eh.
1, 2. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4, 2, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Thank you for the people here. Cute little girl. Yeah, my niece. She's just my beautiful niece. I think she wants to be a kid too. Yeah, I miss. Ashley plus Ashley 0. I want to have a baby daughter.
Bago undo.
Bago nga di udo.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Cheryl, put it down. Cheryl, put it down. Yung goofy mama. Si mama. Come on na.
Tita, pahingi ko.
Sige na. Ala, sa ako yun. Pambikal ko yung kape. Doon na kami, pasalubong ako sa imo doon. May pasalubong ako sa imo, ha? May bakal ako pasalubong sa imo. Ano ang gusto mo pasalubong ko?
Basta.
Anong, diri nga, anong gusto mo nga?
Pili.
Anything? Kahit ano? Dila.
Tita, pan-abot ko lang.
Di, foods na lang. Bahal ko sa imo foods. What do you like foods?
Ikaw na lang din ang bili mo.
She has to go eat before school, yes. Kiss me. So cute.
Santa ka na mamay, dali.
Kagayong gag mo, no.
Oo, naobridahan.
Bye-bye, Babang. Love you, Bang. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Can I see that stop, drop, and roll? Okay. Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Hi, Golden. Welcome back here. Stop, drop, and roll. Tim. Tim. Stop, drop, roll. Nagagalit na naman. Stop, drop, and roll. Don't team me. Tim. Stop, drop, and roll. Tim, stop, drop, and roll. Nagalit na. Stop, drop, and roll. Cheryl, stop, drop your head. Stop, drop. Stop, drop, and roll. Oh my God, stop. You ready to going to sleep, guys? There, 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 there. So, bakit di ka malis sa isip ko? No, just almost 7 p.m. Ikaw ang laging naman puso ko. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko hanggang ngayon. Show me the black shorts. You want to show? Yeah. The black shorts. I always wear double pants. And the black. Enough. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin other than no. Stop. Bahala ka ng laway. Ay, nako! Ah! You have shorts on. Kahit pilitin kong damdaming magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko hanggang ngayon. Have I seen that? Have I seen them before? Kahit pilitin kong damdamin ko, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap. Well, have I? Come, don't talk to me like that. Ay, sige. It's just me here. Whatever. Just me one. Me one. Not. I see four. Just now, yes. Duh. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin magbago, ay ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko hanggang ngayon. Hanggang ngayon, ko pa rin naririnig. Ikaw pa rin ang tatanungin. Ikaw na. Dapat ba natin and go to market? Go early to get money. Yeah, show him them black shirt. What time is it now? I go now. I going now. I'm going now. I think I've seen them there. It's not much haven't seen. Yep. Yeah. Thank you for the thank you for watching, guys. Kahit pilitin ko, you ask. No, right after yeah. After the live. For the 5 people here, thank you so much. Stop. Jump. And roll. To. Kahit pilit, you know what? I look pale. I look pale. Pale. How much is electricity? Not send ano. Oh, wait. How much? Wait. I think the deadline is October 17. October. But I didn't see. 1,500. Oh my god. Oh, where? 1,500. Because we have now a fridge. That's why big. Mm. That your bell paper. Yeah. Electric bell. The electric bell. Much. Oh my god, Friday is due date. October 17. Put it down. Why it look like a receipt? Yeah. When paid, they will give the like this the paper. Just a receipt. Just look like a electric bill. When I get paid, when pay it, yeah, I pay it today. Like the story. When need to pay, going to pay it. They will give the receipt like a big, like that one, like, just like a half cross of paper. Not like this. Okay, don't pay it then. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Next week, pay that. Yeah. Kahit pilitin ko, don't do it online. No, I can't do it online. Different here. Maybe online, but I think I don't know how to. What is that? Need to online, but need I have a Gcash here, but I have no Gcash. The Gcash need amount, but no. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine. How about you guys? Thank you for joining me here, guys. Good day in Philippines. Thank you, Henrique Alves. Thank you so much. As she don't have enough in her account. Yeah, I don't have enough. Everything is done online now. Yeah, I think have it. See this as start July 1, 2023 online at over the counter na online to pay the bills said to pay the bills online or over the counter to pay the bill. Before, pay the bills need the the employee of the Sorico need to pay the house to house. Now they don't need to house because the consumer need to pay online or over the counter. Um, yeah. She has, but I want her to see what's in her account. Yes. I see the little amount, but for me, it's a big savings. I was talking about the Philippines, really, they don't pay it online. Yeah. If I need to pay online, you need to have enough money to pay online. She goes to the store to pay it. Yeah. Pilitin kong damdamin na nagbago. Ikaw pa rin ang Ikaw pa rin ang well, you could be online if you put all I send you in. I send you into the bank. If you put all I send you into the bank. Oh, everything is done online now. Yeah, but need to have an account to pay online. Need to have the the money. Yeah, but I can't do it now because not my bills come out automatically. Uh, Me, I need to pay over the counter because not there. Yeah. Maybe there in America. they don't go in. Yeah, maybe they're America. Everything is online there. That's why no more easy to work there. Easy process. No need to fall in line to pay here. Need to fall in line. Need to waiting for pay the so very everything is. Thank you for the 7 people here now. Thank you guys. Oh wow. Yeah. Kahit pilitin everything, Cheryl. Everything. Wow. That's great. What a nice. I hope here too, but here I think there's some uses like the middle class or rich people do that. But like me, no account, no. Oh my god, oh my god. need to need to fall in line to pay, like something like need to go to the pay over the counter. You have to go to there to pay it. Yeah, on everything. Wow, that's great. Oh my god, so great. What a life. You have account. Yeah, I have account. At the bank account, I have a bank account, but I don't know how to pay it online. Maybe you need to register the bank on, not me, not you. Uh, me. I'm asking you. Okay, I know. Okay. I need to fall in line to pay the bills. I need to go to the office to the no, over the I'm asking you. Okay, something like that. That's why. Kahit ulitin ko ka pa rin so that take ours. Yeah, take ours. Take time. Takes time. No. Not hours, maybe just a minute or maybe 10, 15, 20. It depends on the people, how many paid. Sometimes the line is over like the Judith, like this now. The Judith is close, it's near now because how many days people need to go to pay the bills. Yep, yep. Here walking there it takes longer. Yeah, I walk a lot. That's why my leg is sometimes feel pain. Tired. Oh no, you walk. Yeah, I walk. I walk. Kahit pilitin kong magbubuhay, ikaw pa rin ang minahal. Ko Tim teach her to drive. Yeah, maybe Tim he needs to teach me how to drive. He will buy me a car. Guys, stop. He will buy me a car. When here, yeah. When I'm there, I will drive the car. Kahit pilitin ko, buy. Yeah, he will buy me a car there when I'm there. You have a car, Golden? Do you have a car? You got to earn it like everyone else. You got to earn it like everyone else. Yeah. Yes. Ah, yes. Wow. That's great. Wow. You're rich too. Here, if you have a car here, oh, you are rich because you afford to buy a car. Yep. Car expensive. Mean work for it. Yeah. Kahit ulitin kong damdamin at ako, ikaw pa rin. I had to team to it. Can't be free so you understand how it's important. Yeah, I understand how it's important. Very important. Kahit if ever my first car was a 74 Mustang from my stepfather. 74 Mustang, wow. But I don't understand what it means Mustang, 74 Mustang. Really? It's expensive? Classic. Ah, the classic. Classic car. That was the car. Ah, 1974. Wow. Now I know. It's classic now, yeah. Eighty-two thousand miles on it now. Huh? Oh my god. You still have it. Wow, really? classics are going for big. Classic cars are going for big. Think about the thumbs up there. It's like Antigo. Very rare. Rare. Kahit ulitin kong the morning of bubble and keeping good shape, it's can good for a lot. Yeah, but I won't sell it. Maybe give to Cheryl to drive. It's I stick. Oh, I don't know how to drive it. Ah, oh my god. Are you crazy? Damn, you crazy one, Iona. I know you can learn. Brum. Check it out. My god, damn. My god. Kahit ulitin ko. Well, after she learns flutter on a bigger car, not the classic Arget, I use one. She will be fine because she going to run into things. Yeah, I hope I will be fine. Oh my god. Okay, you got a lot of trust in her. Oh, thank you, my team. You trust me a lot now. That's why after a year of driving a better car first. Yeah, thank you. Mr. Lava. Mr. Lava Lava. Hi. Mr. Lava Lava. Lava Lava Lava. Hello. Lava Lava. Kahit pilitin kong damdaming magbago, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Teka. Pag-ibig na nadarama, so she not going to feel like when the care breakdown. Oh my god. She will cry, but he will have a triple A. Aray. What triple A? unless the first year. So she understand. Look, see, she don't know what is such a, yeah, I don't know what is that. Like a battery? This triple A automobile service that help you if you break down, they come help you. Ah. Oh my god. Automobile. You're right, but no. Chop, chop, up, chop, and then I get it done. I'm right, but yes, they how to fix flats and many other things. Ah, yeah, I need to learn about that. I need to learn. I will learn. You teach me. You teach me how to doggy. You teach me how to doggy. You will teach me. You will reach your doggy style. Teach me how to doggy. Uh-huh. Teach, not reach. Ah. Oh my god. Ay, that will help her out a lot. So sh- uh, had to know if she ever got by herself. It was if you was at work team. Yeah, yeah, I can do it myself. I need to know, and I need to learn more about the car a lot. Yep. Maybe to I need to that is called driving. I have to tow trucks on hand F. I need one. Yeah. Now you pull over and mini man will stop. Huh? Call Tim, I will repo the cars too. So she will know what happened if she didn't pay it to Tim. Wow. The car will always be paid for what I get. I saw. Thank you, my team. The Aray. Thank you, Tim. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin I don't do banks and loans. Oh, that's great. That's nice. Loan is like a problem. Like, I don't, yeah. Eh, if you have a loan, you have a problem. Oh my goodness. So she should learn, don't you think? No, it will be just a headache for me. Oh my god. Yeah. Tell me what you think. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. And if she get into a accident, I don't care about the car, just as long as she will be. Oh my god, so sweet. Oh my god, you're so sweet, Tim. Oh my god, thank you, my Tim. Now I know you love me. Don't start doing work. Ah. Sorry. Put the chip away now. Yeah. Pin ang bukas na ikaw ang kasama. Kahit pilitin kong damdamin magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ikaw lamang ang Dapat ba natin pabayaan ang puso ang buksan? Hindi ka mahal, ipagirin ang pag-asa. Okay, go get money and go to market before it runs there. Okay, I go now. Thank you. Love you. I feel hungry. I feel hungry now. Thank you so much. I love you. Okay, thank you for joining. Golden, thank you so much for Golden. Thank you so much for joining here, Golden. God bless. Take care always. Thank you, my team. Thank you so much. God bless us. Love you. I go now. Okay, get food for you to eat for because yeah. Thank you so much.